In this video, we're going to discuss a basic truth of most website design. You can see here that I've opened up the apple.com homepage in Photoshop. And I want to show you that apple.com, just like many websites like Microsoft or Google, they're all divided up in exactly the same way. If I open up my layers panel, you can see that I've already created several layers on this document. Rectangle 1 is the first of these layers. This is the header. Almost every website on the planet has some form of a header. Similarly, down here at the bottom, almost every website on the planet has some form of a footer. It's the job of the header and the footer to almost never change. It's the header and the footer that get the user through to whatever content they want to view. And as such, all of this area here in the middle, which is constantly changing depending on what the user has clicked on, is called the main area. So, all web pages have headers, footers, and main areas, with some few exceptions, but not in this class. So what I'm going to do, knowing this, is I'm going to open up Dreamweaver, and I'm going to go into my body tag, and I'm going to create the basic structure of this web page. I'm going to start with putting in a header. Then I'm going to put in a main tag. And finally, I'm going to end off by putting in a footer. Please ensure that for every tag that you open, you also close it before moving on to the next tag. And ensure that your closing tags have these slashes in them to indicate closings. So header, main, and then footer is the basic structure of all websites. After I click Save, I can click on this button down here in the lower right-hand corner to access a real-time preview, utilizing Google Chrome. And when I open up this real-time preview utilizing Google Chrome, you can see here that it's already put in my basic header, and while you can't see it, there's also space here for my basic footer as well. From here, we can move on to further expanding each one of these tags.